when they did the maze here too. Frankenstein.
As you guys could see, we got Universal Screamers, the vinyl figures, and here, and let's see what we got in the box.
We're about to do the unveiling. Let's see what we got. Which one?
Either the Frankenstein, Jack, Casper, Myers, or this guy, Wolfman, or the Pumpkin Lord. Let's see which one.
Ah, sorry. A little hard to open. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Oh, it's still closed. Okay, let's see. Here we go.
Let's see what it is. Like who is the little figure?
Oh, how cool!
Oh,
look at that.
Look at that, guys. We got the Michael Myers. It's rare.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. And it's nice too. Look at that. It's nice.
Wow, that is amazing. I knew I was gonna get that one.
Yeah.
That's the best one, guys. Look at right there.
The Michael Myers right there.
Collect all 6, and we got the best one.
Yeah, the best one. Yeah.
Cool. Let's go. You're coming with me, buddy.
You're coming with us, and let's go. Please like and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Give me more subs, and thank you. And subscribe.